What if you could take any skill you already have, no matter how basic, no matter how random, and turn it into a 10k per month online business? Sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, the main reason most people never make money online isn't because they don't have value to share. It's because they never plug that value into a system that multiplies it properly. And that's where the simulation method comes in. See, I think of business like a video game. Your skills are your weapons, your systems are your armour, and your traffic is your XP grind. The better you set things up, the faster you level up. So today, I'm going to walk you through a 3-step framework that shows you how to take any skill, package it, and turn it into income. And the best part is, you don't need a huge budget or years of experience to do it, or even your own product. And by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to apply the simulation method to build a 10k a month business online using affiliate marketing as your engine. Also, quickly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Okay, so here's the first thing to understand. Everyone has skills. The biggest mistake people make is assuming that what they know doesn't count. They tell themselves, I'm not an expert, or nobody would pay attention to this. But here's the truth. No matter where you're at, there are always people who can learn from you. There will always be people who value your perspective, your shortcuts, or even the way that you explain things. There are countless influencers who have built a personal brand off the back of just having a likable personality and creating content that people enjoy watching. Think of it like choosing your character in a game. Some start as the warrior, some start as a healer, some start as explorers. And none of them are the wrong choice. They all bring value to the team. It's the same with your skills. You don't need to be at the highest level to matter. You just need to step into your lane and start building. So what actually counts as a niche or a skill? Well, if you're into fitness, that's a niche. If you love gaming, that's a niche. If you're always finding clever money hacks, yep, that's also a niche. Even hobbies like fishing, gardening or photography, all valid. The thing is, no matter how obscure your interests are, there will always be people out there who share those interests. However, the key to success, especially in affiliate marketing, is choosing something that's evergreen. Evergreen means people spent money on it years ago, they're spending money on it today, and they'll be spending money on it 5 or 10 years down the line. Now, the big 4 evergreen areas are health, wealth, relationships and hobbies. And here's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You don't need to create your own product on day one. If you're into fitness, you can start by promoting someone else's program, their app or their supplement line. If you're into money hacks, then share a budgeting tool or investment platform. That way you earn commissions without the heavy lifting of product creation. So step 1 is simple. Pick your character, pick your niche, and commit to leveling it up. That's how you start building momentum in this game. Okay, here's the reality of the situation. A raw skill on its own doesn't generate income. It's like finding a rusty sword in a dungeon. Technically it works, but it won't carry you very far. You need to upgrade it. You need leverage. In business terms, packing equals leverage. Now there are 3 main ways to package a skill. The first is info products, things like guides, templates and teaching. The second is services, doing the work for others. And the third is affiliate marketing, promoting products that already exist. Now let's be real. Services are great, but they're really time intensive. And info products work, but they take time to create and market. That's why I recommend beginners start with affiliate marketing. It's the fastest way to create leverage because you're essentially borrowing someone else's weapon while you level up. So here's how it works in practice. You package your knowledge around a niche into a simple system called a funnel. Now don't panic, it's not complicated. A funnel is just 3 pages. An opt-in page, where you give away something for free, like a checklist, a guide or a template, in exchange for an email address. Think of it as trading. They give you their email, you give them a key. The second page is a bridge page, where you thank them, you build trust, and you introduce the affiliate product that you recommend. This is where you say, here's what I use and here's why it works. And finally, the offer page. This is the product creator's sales page. You don't even need to build this yourself. You just guide people there. And when they buy, you earn a commission. That's it. 3 simple steps. And if you want to see exactly how to do it, then check out my funnel build video. It shows you a step-by-step of how to set it up. I'll put a link to it up there. Okay, now, why is this so powerful? Well, it's powerful because once it's set up, your funnel works 24/7. You're building an asset that compounds. Every new subscriber is a new piece of gear in your inventory. Your list grows, your trust grows, and your commissions stack up. So step 2 of the simulation method is all about leverage. Don't try to swing a rusty sword. Package your skill into a funnel and plug in affiliate offers. And suddenly, you're playing the game with legendary weapons. Now you can have the best weapon in the world, but if you never enter the battlefield, then you'll never win. So that's where traffic comes in. Traffic is visibility, it's oxygen, it's XP, and without it, your funnel suffocates. So here's the golden rule of the simulation method. Pick one traffic source and master it. In 2025, short form video is king. That means YouTube Shorts, TikToks, Instagram Reels. These platforms push billions of views into short clips every single day. And they don't care if you're brand new. If your content gets engagement, it can go viral. So what do you actually post? Well, it's simple. You post short, valuable videos that solve tiny problems for your audience. If you're in fitness, then post a 3-move workout for busy mornings. If you're in wealth, then maybe post 3 hacks to save $50 this week. At the end of each clip, point people to your free guide in the description. That's going to be your opt-in. That's how they enter your funnel. And here's the beauty of it. Traffic compounds. Your first 10 videos might flop, but the 11th could blow up and pull in thousands of views. And suddenly, your funnel is working. The only way you lose is if you stop showing up. And I've said it before and I'll say it again. Most people fail because they don't stick at it long enough to see it work. It might take you a month to get your first commission. It might take you 6 months to make your first $1,000. But if you stick at it, you will reach a point when you're making 10K a month, 20K a month, 30K a month. Think of it like aging a fine whiskey. You don't expect to have a top dollar product instantly, but you know that over time it will mature into something incredible. Going into that barrel, the whiskey itself might only be worth a couple $100, but once it's matured, that same barrel could be worth $500,000 or more. And one of the things I love about affiliate marketing is there's no real limit to what you can scale it to. 5 years down the line, you could be making $1 million a month, but only if you stick at it. So remember, step 3 is to grind XP. Pick your platform, post daily, and let the algorithm do all of the heavy lifting for you. Okay, so let's do a quick recap of what we've just learned. Step 1, pick your skill or niche. Step 2, package it with leverage using affiliate marketing and a simple funnel. See my other videos on how to set that funnel up. And step 3, plug into traffic and let the system compound. That's the simulation method. It's about leveling up your character, upgrading your gear, and building a system that pays you while you sleep. Now, if you want to shortcut the process, I put together a free affiliate starter pack. It includes templates, tools, and a funnel walkthrough. You can grab it using the link below in the description. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. I post 2 videos a week to help you build a real income online. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.